Hello, we will talk about 5 reasons why getting started with an internship is very important when you want to make digital marketing as your career option. When you choose digital marketing as a career option in today's time, that is the best career option you could have chosen for yourself. It opens a lot of opportunities for you. You can work as an employee, you can get a job in different industries. It could be digital marketing agencies, it could be marketing firms, it could be different industries. Each and every company today requires a digital marketing professional. So you can get started with a job, you can start your own freelancing business, you can build your different business line of business with the help of a digital marketing knowledge extremely well. So you have a lot of opportunities when you talk about digital marketing as a career option. Here we will talk about why internship is extremely important when you are choosing for yourself digital marketing as a career option. I'll tell you 5 reasons why an internship is really important. The 5 reasons, first of it being getting experience. When we start with digital marketing, it sounds to be a very easy thing to do. Oh, digital marketing, I can do it, yaar. Just SEO, SMO, गूगल सर्च, यही तो है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. बट ऐसा नहीं है. जब आप डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करते हैं, व्हेन यू डू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इट इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट SEO, SMO and doing some random stuff or digital marketing हो गया. It is never like that. You have to know much more about it. You have to know about how industries work, you have to know about their product, you have to know about their customers. So to know digital marketing, I say that you should first know sales and marketing. How do you know sales and marketing? Now that you are looking for a job in digital marketing, you do not have time to go back and learn sales and marketing. The easiest way is to get experience directly into an industry where you can quickly get to understand the sales and marketing tips and quickly use those sales and marketing tips to your digital marketing part. So by taking an internship into any industry or into any company that you want to be a part of in the future, you get hands-on experience of the sales and marketing part, which is very important in understanding and doing digital marketing. To be a successful digital marketing professional, you have to first be a very successful, a very knowledgeable sales and marketing professional, because digital marketing is just a tool that we use to be good with sales and marketing. So number one point is getting a lot of experience is where internship helps if you want to choose digital marketing as a career option. Social skills, number two. So when we take an internship on digital marketing, we see the different another aspect of digital marketing. Until now, as a person, as an individual, have we had been using social media to get the content, to see the videos, to see the post, to see the information, to get updated with the latest news and a lot of things. But when you start working with an industry, working with a company, working with a client, you understand that social media is much more than only looking at the videos or the posts and the updates. It is much more. That is kind of a tip of the iceberg that we see. It is just what we use in social media is the tip of the iceberg. The actual social media thing is below it. So when you take an internship with an industry, you get to understand how big this social skill is, how to build that up, how to utilize the social media in to benefit your company, your industry. So number 2 point is your internship helps you in building those social skills. Number 4, your resume. You know, the importance of resume today is not much, but still it is the only way to reach out to a company. The first impression that a company gets is by reading your resume. So you have to make it the best, because that is where you get selected or you get rejected. Next is there are the interview rounds, which will anyways be there, but interview is resume is the first criteria that a client employer looks at and selects you. So you have to make sure that your resume has everything that the employer might be looking for. And in that, the most important thing is, after having those certificates and those degrees and everything, what work experience do you have? This is where the internship helps you a lot, because you have done 3 months or 6 months or 1 year of internship is what the employer will be interested in. What have you exactly done in this internship? Because by doing internship, the employer knows that he will not have to teach you about the practical aspects of business. That way he will be saving a lot of time of telling you about the business practicalities, because you have not just come out from the college and got into the corporate world. Rather, you have done a 3 months or a 6 months or a 1 year of internship, and now you are ready from the theoretical knowledge of the books to the practical knowledge that you have gained in school to utilizing and working with a company in real life, is where now you are completely ready to get into a full-time job. So the company or the employer knows that he will not have to waste a lot of time in getting you trained and getting you ready for that. So have your resume ready, and in your resume your internship really counts, and make sure that you write a good part of it, as in what you have achieved during your internship period, what exactly you have learned in that internship period, and what was really good about that internship. So these things will make the employer get attracted towards you. Number 5 point is about knowing your industry, whatever industry I want to work in. So let's say I love, so I have a love for accounting as an industry. I want to get connected with a lot of consultants, accountants, and other professionals. So accounting is my love. I want to work with them, but as a digital marketing professional. So my internship starts with a consulting firm. I worked there for 6 months or 1 year. I understand the industry. I understand the how the industry wants, or what the industry's expectations are from a digital marketing professional, and then I prepare myself over a period of time during my internship, so that by the time I get in front of the employer for a job, I know the industry pretty well. Because just having the bookish knowledge of the industry will not help me. It is the practical knowledge that I have gained during my internship period with the industry that is actually gonna help me. So knowing the industry is really going to help me with my full-time job. So these 5 points, if you take care of during your internship, will make you feel and make you think that why this internship was really important for your career, and how this helps you greatly in building a successful career in digital marketing for yourself. Any questions if you have on why internship, what kind of internship, any questions, any queries, any confusion about digital marketing as a career, or why you should do an internship before opting for a full-time digital marketing job is important, ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll be personally answering you all the questions. Trust me, you will get all the answers to your questions in the comment box below. I'll be waiting for your questions. Until then, have a good day.